Hello friends, kindiga se apnan sob. I hope apnan ni phal thakibo. Apna ase moi bi phal ase. Khushi ase. Moi aji bi church te ahina ase. Church aha taka dande ekla pui taka dande ekta kana mol de yat ahe ase. Kana kura do bishi enjoy ase. Kana kurne sa mala mon de ekla taka dande khushi pai. Shanti pai turbra ekta khana ko mo jaise moi mula mon ekta khana yad aha gane moi tu bi kuru mon jaise I have a song I love to sing since I have been redeemed of my Redeemer, Savior, King, since I have been redeemed. Since I have been redeemed, since I have been redeemed, I will glory in His name. Since I have been redeemed, I will glory in my Savior's name. I have a Christ that satisfies, since I